Alright, it's the Smart Home Helper, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Kwikset Halo Smart Lock. Now this is the one with the keypad, and I'm super excited to check it out. So let's dive in and let's unbox it. Alright, so let's dive on in here and check it out. Like your typical Kwikset lock, it's going to come in a white box here. So nothing new there. And it looks like to start off they got a Kwikset guide. So if you need some help downloading, installing your lock, you can use this, or you can use my videos, whatever works for you. And then, oh, here's the front plate of this Kwikset lock. And you can see the Halo lock is really nice. It has these curved sides here. There's no other lock like this. The 916 is going to be more of kind of circular here on the end. So I really like the design of this lock, and it looks pretty clean. I've got the chrome version here, but it comes in bronze, comes in that darker color. I can't remember what it's called, but it comes in a darker color as well. We've got the ring here. So the ring, this is for if it needs to be a little bit tighter in the hole for your lock. So you'd want to attach this. You don't always have to, but that's what that's for. Alright, now let's get into the good part. Got some double A's. Like you'll know, they're probably not the best ones, but they do give you double A's. We've got the deadbolt here. So pretty much your normal deadbolt. Nothing crazy here. Looks good though. We've got some screws. So they actually have them labeled, which is pretty cool. This one's going to be for the latch and strike, so that's awesome. Then we have one that's going to be for the lock. And one thing I love about Kwikset is they have what they call rekeying. And so there's this little tool in here, if you can see it, and that's actually used to rekey the lock. So if you had a Kwikset lock before, you can actually use this tool right here to rekey it and use the same lock. So pretty cool. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, we got the back plate here. So pretty normal design of what you'll see from Kwikset locks. There's three pieces. There's what I like to call the back plate. We've got the guts, and then we've got this little piece right here, the skeleton. So pretty easy design for installing, as well as a pretty easy setup as well. So that's nice, and oh, that's really nice. So if you ever run out of batteries, the faceplate right here will push off and makes it easy to put in the batteries here on the top. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty, and then last up, it's going to be the keys. Of course, it comes with keys with the smart lock, so you don't have to do any keys. But it's nice that they give you the guide here. The first step is going to be installing that app because it is a Wi-Fi lock. I've never installed a Wi-Fi lock before, so it'll be my first time doing that. But I'm really excited to check out this lock. I think for Kwikset locks, this is by far the coolest looking one that I've seen so far. So I'm excited to check it out. Thanks for checking out this unboxing with me. Please leave your comments, likes, and I'll have a playlist attached to this as well. So if you need any help with this type of lock, we've got your back. So this is the Smart Helper. Please like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day.